Breaktime.Solutions. Today we're going to look to program a Nayax system up so that our customers can have a free vend card for the coffee. So we've got some nice plain black cards off Amazon. You can use any MiFare card at all. We've then stuck some nice labels on them using our Dymo machine, just so that we can know which cards which for reporting purposes. Next up on our list is to get on our phone and download the MiFare Classic tool, which is a free app. I've got it on Android. I believe you can get it on iOS as well. All we do then, and once we've opened that, we don't need to go into anything on the app. We just hold our phone right next to it, the card, and it tells us that the unique ID of the card is 36A119EF. So we type that in this box here, 36A119EF, and we convert it. This is just a free tool, binaryhexconverter.com. It gives us then a decimal value which we can use in the Nayax software. So then we have our Nayax dashboard here that we've got up. You might not have all these settings, but what you need to do is go into Consumers and Card Management. We're then going to create a new card. We're going to choose which operator it's for. Card type. This is going to be called a prepaid card. There are various other cards on there, which we'll look at another time. Today we're just going to look at the prepaid card. So we choose that. It is actually a real contactless card, so we will change it to that. This is where we need the value we got from the hexadecimal to decimal converter. Literally, we can just copy and paste that one across. Put in the card number there, or we can put in a name there, so we could put in card 1. What I'm going to do is put that in over here though. In a minute we will choose that it's an active one. It's not a member, it hasn't got currency, it has a daily amount. Because they want to be giving away free coffees all day long, we're going to give it a daily amount of £999. It's going to want a weekly limit. We'll do the same. There we go. There. Just allowed it £999 forever. This one is card 1. We don't need to worry about anything else on there. We don't need to worry about any of the other tabs at all. We just click save. Completed successfully. That card is now ready to use. So thanks for watching how to set up the Nayax prepaid cards. I'm James from Breaktime.Solutions. Anything you need, our details are in the links below.